Scribe AI, world's first app that combines the power of three AI giants. Google Bard, ChatGPT and Microsoft AI to help you make insane profits. Effortlessly turn a voice command, text, URL, website or keyword into an ebook, magazine, podcast, voice content, white papers, flipbooks, audiobooks, etc. Without writing a single word in seconds. And we sell on our built-in digital marketplace, Amazon Kindle, Audible, Udemy, Etsy, and profit up to $586.34 per day. No writing, no recording, no tech, design skills. First to market, the only tool to combine the power of Google Bard, Microsoft, and ChatGPT. Tap into the combined $375 plus billion e-learning market with our AI Trinity X technologies taking over the world right now. Turn any voice command, text, URL, website, or keyword into an ebook, flipbook, audiobook, podcast, or voice contents in seconds. Create 3D flipbooks, audiobooks, ebooks, ebook cover designs, and presentations. Get 100x more engagement and profits. Built-in digital marketplace to sell your audiobooks, ebooks, flipbooks to millions of customers for the big bucks. Instantly publish your audiobook or ebook to Amazon Kindle, Audible, Udemy, Etsy. Effortlessly transform text into captivating AI-generated e-cover images with built-in stable diffusion and OpenAI DALL-E 2 capabilities. Create audiobook, podcast and voiceovers with 900-plus lifelike voices across more than 144-plus languages and dialects. Choose from neural text-to-speech, NTTS, voices, newscaster reading style, conversational speaking style, and captivating voice effects. Access 40-plus AI assistants that work the 24th of July 365 days to automate and scale your business super fast. Generate content, voiceovers, and transcripts up to 100K characters with a keyword. Generate multiple sources of income and profits from every single time you hit publish. No surprise charges or additional costs. No need to download, install, or customize. Kickstart in seconds. Backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. You too can profit from this. We are making incredible profits using Scribe AI without lifting a finger. This month, $16,966.76 last 7 days, $2,710.18. You're just 3 clicks away from creating highly profitable ebooks, flipbooks, audiobooks, podcasts, and voice contents. Number 1. Login. Instantly tap into the combined power of Google Bard plus Microsoft plus ChatGPT inside a single dashboard. Number 2. Generate. Automatically turn any voice command, text, URL, website, or keyword into an ebook, flipbook, audiobook, podcast, or voice contents in just 1 click. Number 3. Profit every time we publish our ebooks, flipbooks, audiobooks, podcast, or voice contents using Scribe AI. We get results like this. Get paid directly to our bank accounts or PayPal. So dear friend, if you want to buy this, please visit the description link below. Thank you.